Good morning, William. This is Tina with Prime Mercedes here on Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. I want to thank you for reaching out to us on this gorgeous 2018 GLE550e. So this is a little hybrid here. We got a little sub-electric motor in there, which is really helpful around town. Give you probably about 15 miles of travel. But the goal of this video is to give you a tour. So let's start in on that front end. You're looking at a beautiful 040 black paint, high performance LED headlamps. Take a look at that grille. Absolute ton of chrome on that. Mercedes-Benz emblems proudly displayed on those gorgeous rims. You're going to see your EQ badging. My mirror housing has my blind spot assist and my indicators. Let's take a look at the rear cargo compartment. And on this, I do have a smart key. This does have a tow package. And here is where your electric motor is housed. There are my charging cables, emergency roadside kit, little privacy cover. I've got a beautiful chrome protection plate for that tailgate. Let's watch that soft close on that. Wraparound tail lamps. Let's take a look at the rear passenger compartment. The other thing too is this has easy entry, easy exit, very nice tinted windows, illuminated running boards. Your interior, you're looking at a macchiato beige and espresso brown. And your wood trim is a beautiful high glass lacquered burl wood. And child locks on those doors. I also, if there's any kiddos involved, I like the fact with Mercedes that I've got locking rear windows. My black lab used to put my windows down in my old SUV. But hop in, William. I want to take you for a spin. All right, William, we're going to start this up. Now, that electric sub-motor, you can see I've got different modes. I have an E mode, a hybrid mode, a save mode. I can actually recuperate while driving. Pretty cool. It is a lovely day here in Maine, so I'm going to turn on my heated steering wheel. I'm going to turn on my heated seats. One would think in May I'd actually be turning on my ventilated seats, but no such luck. You are going to see my Parktronic. I've got a CD player. I have a little chip reader here. I've got high definition on my screen, Bluetooth, navigation, multimedia. I have a swipe pad. This vehicle can be driven in multiple modes like sport, comfort, snow, or slippery. You're going to see a beautiful pano sunroof, 3 programmable garage door openers, onboard emergency assistance, technical support, concierge services, beautiful Harman Kardon sound system. But let's show you how this vehicle handles here at the dealership. Rain sensing windshield wipers. And when you buy a car from us, William, you're going to get loaner service, valet service. If you can't come to us, we'll send a hauler to you. Every Saturday, for as long as you own this vehicle, free hand car wash is here at the dealership. And we run that from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you could come up, come see us, get a lobster roll down in the old port, and let us get you all set up for the weekend in a beautiful spiffy car. So I will keep it brief, William. I'll leave you with my cell phone number, 207-229-2739. Give me a call so I can work up that trade information for you. And I look forward to chatting with you, William. Have an awesome day.